Hey everyone, I'm Coach Call. I teach Algebra 1 and I teach American history here in the 8th grade hallway. I'm also the boys basketball coach for the 8th grade as well as the track coach for the 8th grade. I'm also the building athletic coordinator. For my class this year, I'd like for you to know the best way to contact me would be email or sending me a message in Canvas. Those messages come right to my computer, they come to my phone, and it's the best way to get a hold of me and for me to correspond with you. A real quick tour of my classroom here. As you can see, I'm a huge Mizzou and St. Louis Cardinals fan. We have American history as well as algebra posters. We utilize all kinds of technology here. We're going to use your Chromebooks. We're going to use old textbooks. We're going to use printouts. We're going to use interactive notebooks. We're going to do all kinds of fun activities and different types of projects. We create videos in my classes. We read plays. We make our own plays. We do reps. We do skits. We do poems. We make posters. We make brochures. We do a little bit of everything in both algebra and social studies. Can't wait to get to know you guys. Feel free to shoot me a message introducing yourself, and I hope we have a great year.